Hey guys, Touchile everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make Nepali Jhol Momo, which is very popular in Nepal. So I'm going to show you how to make this delicious recipe and hope you guys will like it. And let's get started how to make. So these are Momo filling ingredient we need. Add into meat, onion, ginger and garlic paste, green onion leaves, now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon garam masala. Next, 1 teaspoon shashai oil. You can use any kind of oil. And next, I'm going to add 3 teaspoon cooking wine and 2 teaspoon cooking water. Mix the all ingredient very well. Mix all that very well. After that, cover and leave it for 25 minutes. Now let's make the momo dough. For momo dough ingredient very simple. We need flour and water. And make the dough. Now mix very well until dough becomes not soft. You have to mix. Do for like this for 2-3 minutes. After that, you can put in bowl and leave it for 25 minutes. Now let's make the momo chapati. Now let's make the momo shape. You can make any kind of shape as you like. Now it's ready for steam. So here I use steamed pepper. You can, if you don't have steamed pepper, you can apply the oil first. Otherwise it will stick your momo. Now steam for 25 minutes. I'm going to make momo sauce. So these are the ingredients we need in momo sauce. So first I'm going to toast the soybean seed. So I will recommend you the soybean seed. If you find the black color, you can go with that. Much taste is better. In grounded. In same fry pan, I'm going to toast for sesame seed also. Toast for a few minutes. After that, put in grounded. Repeat the all dry ingredient in same way. Now first make makeup powder, these all the dry ingredients. Here I'm going to add 1 teaspoon cooking oil. Now I'm going to add ginger, garlic and onion and 2 tomatoes. I'm going to fry the all ingredients. Then mix very well the all ingredients. Next I'm going to add 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, and mix very well the all the ingredients and cook for a few minutes. If tomato becomes soft, it's look like this, then you can put in same grinded. And next I'm going to put some coriander leaves. How much you want you can add. And next I'm going to add half lemon juice. And I'm going to add half teaspoon chili powder. If you like more spicy, you can add more chili powder. Next I'm going to add half cup of water and cover and grind it for make a paste. Now I'm going to take out and put some water and boil for a few minutes. After this, sauce is ready to serve. So this is my final result. Look at, so yummy. So now it's ready to my jol momo. So guys, if you like my jol momo recipe, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share with your friend and family, and enjoy my jol momo recipe. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you in next video. Bye bye.